Ever wondered how those crunchy, tasty carrots in your kitchen garden come to life? Well, there's a whole world of soil science and climatology that goes into nourishing those vibrant orange roots. The humble carrot, believe it or not, is a bit of a diva. It demands just the right type of soil, a perfect blend of temperature and humidity, and a careful eye on the seasonal weather patterns. And that's what we're going to delve into today. We will be uncovering the secrets of amending different soil types, from stubborn clay to loose sandy soils, using organic compost for optimal carrot growth. We'll also shed light on the climate considerations to ensure your carrots thrive, irrespective of where you are in the world. So if you have ever had a dream of growing your own carrots, then you're in the right place. Before we dig into the dirt, let's understand a little about our star, the carrot, a humble yet vibrant root vegetable. The carrot is known for its crunchy texture and sweet taste. But did you know that the secret to a perfect carrot lies beneath the surface? Yes, indeed. It's all about the soil. Carrots are root vegetables, and they have a love affair with loose, well-draining soil. Think about it. Roots grow down into the earth, seeking out nutrients and water. If the soil is too compact or heavy, like clay, the carrots can't easily push through, leading to stunted or deformed growth. On the other hand, if the soil is too loose or sandy, the carrots may grow too quickly and become tough or woody. So, how do we create the perfect soil for our carrot plants? The answer lies in soil preparation. Proper soil preparation can transform your garden into a carrot paradise. The first step is to test your soil. This will give you a clear picture of what you're working with and help you determine what amendments are needed. If you're dealing with heavy clay soil, consider incorporating organic compost. Compost not only lightens the soil structure, making it easier for carrot roots to penetrate, but it also enriches the soil with essential nutrients. For sandy soils, compost can help improve water retention, preventing your carrots from drying out. Remember, carrots are not just about the soil, they also need a balanced pH level. Carrots prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH between 6 and 7. If your soil is too alkaline, adding organic matter or sulfur can help lower the pH. So the secret to a happy carrot lies beneath the surface in the soil. By understanding and amending your soil, you can create the perfect environment for your carrots to thrive. And remember, a happy carrot is a tasty carrot. So roll up your sleeves, grab your garden tools, and let's get our hands dirty in the pursuit of the perfect carrot. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and prepare the soil. That's right, folks. We're taking the plunge into the exciting world of soil preparation. This is where your journey towards a bountiful carrot harvest truly begins. First things first, we need to clear the stage for our star performer, the carrot. This means removing any rocks, sticks, and other debris that might be lurking in your soil. Carrots are root vegetables, and they need a smooth runway to grow long and straight. Any obstacles in their path can cause them to twist, turn, or even split. So if you want those picture-perfect, straight as an arrow carrots, it's crucial to clear the way for them. Next, let's talk about soil types. Carrots prefer well-draining, loose, sandy soil, but don't despair if your garden is more clay or silt than sand. There's a solution for every soil type. For heavy clay soils, the answer is organic matter. Organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, can break up compacted soil and improve its structure, making it easier for carrot roots to penetrate. For sandy soils, organic matter can help retain moisture and nutrients that would otherwise be washed away. Now, you might be wondering, how much organic matter should I add? A good rule of thumb is to aim for about a third. That means for every 2 shovelfuls of your natural soil, you should add 1 shovelful of organic matter. Mix it all together until it's well incorporated. The end result should be a rich, crumbly soil that holds its shape when squeezed but crumbles easily when you release your grip. Alright, we're almost there. But there's one more thing we need to do. Ensure good drainage. Carrots, like most plants, aren't fans of waterlogged soil. Too much water can lead to root rot, a disease that can wipe out your entire carrot crop. So, to prevent this, make sure your carrot plot has good drainage. If you're working with heavy clay soil, adding organic matter should improve drainage. But if you're still having issues, consider raising your beds or creating ridges to help water drain away. And there you have it. Your soil is now ready to welcome the carrot seeds. This might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. Your carrots will thank you for it by growing big, juicy, and oh so delicious. So roll up your sleeves, grab your shovel, and let's get to it. Beyond soil, your carrots also need the right weather to thrive. It's not just about the dirt beneath their roots, but the air that surrounds their leafy tops. Understanding the temperature, humidity, and seasonal weather patterns can make all the difference in your carrot harvest. So let's delve into the world of weather, where carrots are concerned. These rooty wonders prefer a climate that's on the cooler side, ideally between 50 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot, and the carrots may bolt or flower prematurely, leading to woody, less tasty roots. Too cold, and they simply won't grow. Now, let's talk about humidity. Carrots aren't huge fans of dry environments. They prefer a certain level of moisture in the air, just as they do in the soil. However, they don't enjoy being waterlogged either. A balance needs to be struck, and maintaining this balance can be the key to a bumper carrot harvest. Seasonal weather patterns are another element to consider. Spring is often the ideal time to plant carrots given the cooler temperatures and increased rainfall in many areas. However, if you live in a region with a mild winter, you can also plant them in fall for a winter harvest. It's all about adapting to the local conditions. For example, if you live in a hot, dry region, you might need to water your carrots more frequently to prevent them from drying out. Similarly, if you're in a region with heavy rainfall, you might need to consider raised beds or well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. Pay attention to the weather forecast. If a heat wave is on the horizon, consider shading your carrots to protect them from the intense heat. A sudden cold snap? Mulch can provide some extra insulation to your carrot beds, helping to maintain a steady soil temperature. It's also worth mentioning that carrots are quite resilient. They can tolerate frost, and in fact, a touch of frost can actually sweeten the taste of your carrots. It's a process called chilling, where the plant converts starches into sugars to protect itself from the cold. So, a frosty morning or two might be a blessing in disguise for your carrot patch. In conclusion, when it comes to carrots, the weather is as important as the soil. Understanding and adapting to the local climate conditions can greatly enhance the growth and taste of your carrots. From temperature and humidity to seasonal weather patterns, each element plays a crucial role in making your carrots feel comfortable and ready to grow. With these climate considerations in mind, you'll be well on your way to a successful carrot harvest. Remember, gardening is not just about planting and waiting, but understanding and adapting. So keep an eye on the sky and let's make those carrots comfortable. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. The journey to growing crunchy and delicious carrots begins with understanding the soil and climate requirements of these vibrant root vegetables. And remember, it's not just about planting a seed and hoping for the best. It's about creating the best possible environment for your carrots to thrive. Firstly, we delved into the importance of soil types and preparation. Whether you're working with clay or sandy soils, amending them with organic compost is key. This is because carrots prefer a loose, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. The compost not only improves soil structure, but also provides the essential nutrients carrots need to grow, so don't skimp on the compost. We also discussed the significance of soil pH. Carrots prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH range between 6 and 7. So if you're looking to grow the best carrots, it might be worthwhile to test your soil's pH level and make necessary adjustments. Next, we explored the climate considerations for growing carrots. Temperature, humidity, and seasonal weather patterns all play a crucial role in the health and productivity of your carrot plants. Carrots thrive in cooler temperatures, with the optimal range being between 50 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. They also prefer consistent moisture, but not waterlogged conditions. Therefore, if you live in a particularly hot or rainy region, you might need to adjust your gardening practices accordingly. And lastly, remember that patience is a virtue in the garden. Carrots are slow growers, taking between 2 to 4 months to reach maturity. So don't rush the process. Give your carrots the time they need to grow and develop. Remember, good soil, suitable climate, and a little patience are all you need to grow crunchy, delicious carrots. We hope this video has given you the tools you need to start your carrot growing journey. Getting your hands dirty in the soil, amending it to suit the needs of your carrot plants, understanding the climate, and adapting accordingly. All these steps are part of a rewarding process. You're not just growing a vegetable, you're nurturing life, cultivating patience, and reaping the fruits of your labor in the form of crunchy, delicious carrots. Remember, Every gardening journey is unique, filled with trials, triumphs, and lots of learning, and the joy of gardening is in this very process. So don't hesitate. Take the plunge. Plant that first carrot seed and let the journey begin. Thank you for joining us today. May your garden be full of crunchy, delicious carrots soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy gardening!